Good day, everybody. Welcome to today's video. In today's video, if your Honda EU2000i is using excessive oil, it could be possible that the valve seal needs to be replaced. And in this video, I'm going to show you how it's done. The valve seal itself in that little package is pretty cheap from Honda. This process is actually very simple, but if you screw it up, you're going to hate life. Remove the top cover, which exposes the valves, and the timing belt. Just pry in that corner. It breaks it free and lifts up. And the next thing you want to do is remove the spark plug. That's very important for the next step, which will save you a big headache from taking the engine apart. Now I'm taking some rope. Now the key is to have the engine right before top dead center. That way both valves are closed when the piston's coming up. Shove as much rope in the piston hole as you can, and then gently roll the engine over until it stops. Once it stops, the rope is pushing against the valve and you should be safe. Theoretically, I should be able to pull that nut off, set it aside, pull that pin, set it aside, pull that off, set that aside, and then it looks like the spring just folds over, opens up, and then we have our valve seal right there. So easily just get on there with a pair of pliers, lightly pull on it, and it'll pop right off. So with the new valve seal, I am going to fill it up with assembly grease. So I'm going to take the new one, did actually fit a lot tighter. So now I'm going to take the spring, push it down, and slide it over. As you can tell, this job is very simple, easy. Once the new valve seal is put in place, reinstall your rocker, remove the rope, recheck your valve clearance, and you should be good to go. If you have any questions or comments, post them below, and I'll see you guys in the next video.